The only thing hovering over Gaza tonight is hope. No drones, no bombs, no orange sky. Just silence, a sound so rare here, it almost feels strange. It's the first night in months without the ground shaking, without the thud of airstrikes or ambulances racing through shattered streets. For once, people can look up and see the stars, not fire. Quiet, not chaos.
Today the drones have stopped and there is no more buzzing. We are safe and our children are safe. We are gathered with our sons and daughters in peace. The fear is gone. Before we were scattered, our children were separated. We were afraid of the bombardment, but thank God we are done with the warplanes and the drone buzzing.
After months with bombs falling, children fall asleep without the shockwaves of explosions. Mothers won't hush their little ones over the roar of jets. Fathers won't stand helpless, watching the horizon burning. In crowded makeshift camps across southern Gaza, families that have been displaced again and again are finally finding a moment of calm, a chance to breathe, to pray, to rest.
Despite all the pain and the things we've witnessed over the past 2 years, I'm happy about the ceasefire. The fear inside us is gone, and now we can see our loved ones, our families, neighbours, and friends who are still alive. Since the fighting stopped, I'm truly happy. Today, I went to the market and visited my sister. I hadn't seen her in 2 years. There is real joy in my heart because I saw her.
They have been waiting so long for this, a ceasefire that offers, even briefly, relief. Tonight's silence is not emptiness, it's a reminder of what life is like without war. A reminder that behind every destroyed building, every tent, every grave, there are hearts still beating, still daring to hope.
For now, Gaza's quiet, and in that quiet, hope lingers, fragile but alive. Hind Khoudary, Al Jazeera, and Nuseirat, Gaza, Palestine.
Don't miss out, get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news and expert insights. Like, share, stay ahead.